Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you student? I hope all of you in good condition. Welcome back in science class with me, Miss Nurnur. And today we are going to talk about the 5 kingdoms of life. Robert H. Whittaker divided the living organism into the 5 kingdoms. The living organism can be classified into the kingdom based on 3 factors. Before you learn about the kingdom of life propounded by Robert H. Whittaker, you need to know on how the living organisms are classified. They are classified based on 3 factors. First, the cell type. Is it prokaryote or eukaryote? Second, the cell number. Is it unicellular or multicellular? And third, the feeding type. How the organism get their food. Is it autotroph or heterotroph? Okay, now I want to explain one by one. First, the cell type. Based on the cell type, they are divided into eukaryote and prokaryote. What are eukaryotes and what are prokaryotes? Eukaryote is a cell which has membrane bond. Meanwhile, prokaryote is a cell which has no membrane bound nucleus. The second classification into the kingdom is based on their cell number. Yes, living organism with one cell is called unicellular. For example, bacteria, microscopic fungi, and single algae or protozoa. We can only see it if we use a microscope, while those consisting of many cells are called multicellular, like human, plant, and animals. The third grouping of organisms into kingdoms is based on how the organism get their food. Is it autotroph or heterotroph? Is it called autotroph if it can make its own food through photosynthesis? One of the characteristics has chlorophyll. And heterotroph is an organism that cannot make its own food. The 5 kingdoms of life that propounded by Robert H. Whittaker are: first, Monera Kingdom or Bacteria Kingdom. Second, Protists Kingdom. Third, Fungi Kingdom. Fourth, Plant Kingdom. And 5th is Animal Kingdom. Let's take a closer look on the 5 kingdoms one by one. First, Bacteria Kingdom or also called Monera Kingdom. The characteristics of bacteria are prokaryotes, unicellular, some of them are heterotroph, for example, Archaebacteria, and some of them are autotroph, for example, blue alga. Second, Protists Kingdom. Student, have you ever found protists in your surrounding? I think yes, but I think all of you don't really understand it is protists or not. What is protists? Protists are animal-like, fungus-like, and plant-like. The characteristic of protists are eukaryotes. Most of them are unicellular, and protists can be autotroph and heterotroph. Third, Fungi Kingdom. Do you know what is fungi? Yes, most of them are very delicious, right? The characteristic of fungi are all fungi are eukaryote. They might be unicellular like yeast or multicellular like this fungi. All fungi are heterotroph, saprophyte, and parasite. What is saprophyte? Call it saprophyte because all of them get their nutrient from dead organic matter. And call it parasite because all of them absorb from a host, eventually killing the host. Fourth, Plant Kingdom. The characteristic of Plant Kingdom are all plants are multicellular. They all are eukaryotes, and they are autotroph because all of them has chlorophyll to produce their food by photosynthesis. And fifth one is Animal Kingdom. The characteristic of Animal Kingdom are all animals are multicellular and they are all eukaryotes. They are heterotrophs. All of them are capable to movement at some point in their lives. Is that clear? Very good. Okay, that's all the material for today. Please make sure all of you understand about the content this video, because in the next meeting I will give you a quizzes about it. Okay, see you in the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.